Alright guys, before we get started, I'd like to thank those of you who have hit the like button and also those of you who have commented on every video that they've watched, because it's so important for our engagement and for actually getting the word out, and it brings this content to new people. And if you're new and you haven't already, make sure to do it. Click on the little red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join the League of Madcatt Artists. So let me go ahead and cover some of the supplies we used. We used the Canson Fanboy heavy drawing paper, which also comes with tracing paper. It's made for comic and manga artwork. It's the same Bristol board that comic book pages are made out of. Next we have the Prismacolor Kohl Erase 244 blue pencil. The reason I like using this one is because when I scan my drawings into a computer scanner, I can always desaturate the blue and all of a sudden I have clean pencils. So that's one of the reasons why a lot of artists use this blue pencil. When I start drawing art with a lot of detail, I like to use my Staedtler Mars technical lead holder. When it's sharpened, it's really precise and it's really hard to beat. And of course, you're going to need the Staedtler lead sharpener and some lead. I'm using the HB lead for this drawing. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below to all the supplies we used today in this drawing. Now you can see I've already got a blue outline here. And prior to me drawing this, I had done a lot of sketches. Here are a few sketches that I've done. And then I settled on this one. And with that being said, let's start drawing. So here I'm pretty much just drawing the whole entire thing in the blue pencil. The point of this is to have everything kind of figured out. All the shadows, all the muscles, anything that you might have questions about. This is where you're allowed some leeway to adjust logos or costume design, things like that. You know, I can't stress enough how important it is to study the anatomy. I always refer to my anatomy drawings. And you should definitely have anatomy drawings, and we'll do something like that on a Technique Tuesday. I'll cover some of the things that I look for and things that I study, and I'll also show you my sketch pad so you can see how I organize things. You know, one of the things that you guys may find interesting is that, you know, the original idea for the new Spider-Man suit, which would later become Venom, was actually created by a Marvel comic reader who had shared the idea with the editor-in-chief at the time, and he had, I guess, showed interest in the idea and ended up giving him $220 for the idea. It's kind of funny though, because if you look at the times and the dates of all the costumes, I think this guy was probably influenced by the new Spider-Woman costume, which was also black and white. So anyways, just some food for thought. So now I'm starting to use the lead holder pencil, and here I'm going to start finalizing the drawing. I'm going to start committing to lines and shadows, crosshatches. So this is my self-proclaimed Spider Week, if you will, and I'm simply drawing Spider-Man and inspired Spider-Man content all week long. Tomorrow, I'm going to be drawing the Black Cat. So if you guys want to see some of the female artwork that I do, you guys don't want to miss this one. Trust me, it's going to be fun. Also, just a quick note, I'm doing a giveaway on some of these drawings that I'm doing through this Spider Week, and basically all I'm looking for is a like, a comment, and a subscription. Once we get to 30 subscriptions, I'm going to go ahead and pull all subscriptions and anyone who made comments, and I'm going to make sure to randomly select 7 winners. So if you guys want to win a piece of my artwork, subscribe. Help me grow this channel. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or suggestions about future videos, please leave a comment down below. See you next time, and until then, keep drawing.